Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster install. We're here at Legendary Auto FX, and today we got this 2019 Acura MDX A-Spec. So Sprint Booster is the #1 and original throttle control module on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide to improve your car's acceleration and delete that pedal lag when you step on the gas. So how it works is it plugs into your throttle pedal and it eliminates the lag between your throttle pedal and your throttle body, giving you a 1:1 pedal ratio. So when you step on the gas, your throttle body opens right up and then you're good to go. This helps you accelerate quicker, and it really helps you up on the highway when you need to merge. And along with that, you also get valet mode and pedal lock mode. So the first step in install is to take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car. Then you wait another 10 minutes with the front door open. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next up, locate your throttle pedal assembly. Above there, you'll see the clip to your harness. Unplug that clip and plug your Sprint Booster in line. Next up, take your controller and plug it into your Sprint Booster, then run it up to your dash. But before you mount it on there with the provided adhesive, make sure you put it in automatic if you have an automatic car like we do, or flick it up to the manual mode if you have a manual car. So tuck away all the wires with the provided zip tie, and then you're good to go. Press the silver button to fire up your Sprint Booster, and then dial it into the right setting that feels the best for you and your machine. So the Sprint Booster has 36 unique modes. It's got 9 modes in race mode, another 9 modes in sport mode. So along with that, you get valet mode and pedal lock mode. In valet mode, it restricts your pedal output so that if anybody takes your car out for a drive, they can't rev it out all the way. And then in pedal lock mode, it completely disengages that signal so that when they step on the gas, your throttle doesn't open and they can't take your car anyway, which gives you a lot more security with your Sprint Booster. Well, that's it, friends. Thanks for checking out another install. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out a wide list of applications, and let us know down in the comments what other machines you want us to install a Sprint Booster on. Thanks everybody, bye now.